Falling behind on your Florida taxes can create unexpected fees and complications. Understanding what steps the Florida Department of Revenue may take when accounts become delinquent can help you address issues quickly and stay on top of your obligations. The tax collection process starts when a required return is not filed, a tax payment is missed or underpaid, a return or payment is filed late, or an audit finds the additional taxes owed. In these cases, the department will mail you either a delinquency notice if a return hasn't been filed, or a notice of amount due if a return was filed late or if additional tax is owed. Both notices clearly explain what you owe and why. Acting quickly can help prevent added cost. If taxes are not paid on time, penalties and interest begin to accrue. If the balance is not resolved within 90 days, a 10% administrative collection processing fee is added. Unpaid accounts may also be referred to a private collection agency. If reemployment tax is owed, additional fees may apply. The fastest way to resolve a bill is to pay online through the department's website at floridarevenue.com/taxes/filepay. If you receive a delinquency notice, file any missing returns and pay as soon as possible. If you are not yet enrolled in e-services, you can sign up online at floridarevenue.com/taxes/e-services. Within 48 hours, you will receive your user ID and password to file and pay electronically. If you believe a notice or bill is incorrect, contact the department right away by calling Taxpayer Assistance at 850-488-6800 or visiting a local service center. Have your name, business partner number, type of tax, and contact information ready. If full payment isn't possible, you may qualify for a stipulated payment agreement. To set this up, contact a local service center and bring financial documents to show why the balance cannot be paid immediately. Most agreements require at least a 25% down payment, with the remaining balances paid within 1 year. Consider these tips to help you avoid a potential bill or delinquency. Carefully follow instructions when completing your tax return. File and pay electronically to reduce errors and save time. Visit the Taxpayer Education webpage at floridarevenue.com/taxes/education for tax tutorials and publications. Stay aware of due dates and sign up for reminders at floridarevenue.com/dor/subscribe. Keep your contact information up to date. Read all notices from the department since they may include important instructions or updates. Florida's Taxpayers' Rights Advocate helps protect your privacy and assets during the assessment and collection process. If you believe your rights have been violated, or if an issue hasn't been resolved through normal channels, contact the office by phone, email, or mail for additional assistance. Understanding how Florida's tax collection process works makes it easier to resolve issues quickly, avoid surprises, and keep your finances on track. For more details, visit the tax collection process webpage by going to floridarevenue.com/taxes, scroll down to resources, click on Florida Delinquent Taxpayers, then select Tax Collection Process. If you still have questions or need help with a notice or bill, call Taxpayer Assistance at 850-488-6800. The Florida Department of Revenue administers the State of Florida General Tax Administration, Property Tax Oversight, and Child Support programs. To learn more about the department, visit floridarevenue.com and find us on X, Facebook, and Instagram at Florida Revenue.